change in progress, it takes time, but Nashville has seen both in great stride over the past 5 years. So looking forward, what are some of those potential wins that you see for our city, and what excites you about them? And we'll start with you, Rebecca.
Okay, so perhaps this is a bit naive, but I'm really bolstered by the announcement that Bill Herbert was returning to Metro permitting. I think we can all understand that delays in permitting at the very best are a pain in the butt, at the very worst, devastating to a project's vitality. Time is money. We all know that very well too. So I'm hoping maybe adequate staffing, attention at the very least, some streamlining is really going to help each and every one of us, certainly construction. So looking forward to that.
I think when we look at Tennessee, traditionally, Tennessee's been a really strong manufacturing logistics center. We're one of only 2 other states that border 8 other states. So if you're going north or south, east or west, you're going to have to come through here. But I think Nashville has really made the transition to where we're seeing a lot of technology headquartered companies. We're now really on the national scene when we look at relocations, competing with cities that typically we never have, maybe a San Francisco and Austin or North Carolina, the research triangle there. So I think Nashville has really upped its game in terms of the talent that we've started to see here in the companies that are truly innovative, and it brings a whole different aspect to Nashville, whether it's on the finance side, investment banking, we've seen that, and also the commercial development side. So I think that's a major transition for Nashville.
So I'm not a local, but I'm going to piggyback on that as well. With growth comes a lot of diversity with different people coming in. Being here for the last 7 months has been great, meeting a lot of different people. The unicorns that have been here for 30 years, and the people that have been here for the last 10, 5. Just a diversity of different types of people. I come from a diverse city, and I moved to different cities that weren't as diverse. But usually the diverse cities are much larger than Nashville. So being able to still have that diversity, but in a smaller city and still have smiling faces is something I'm looking forward to here.
My answer is pretty similar to the last two. I think with all the people moving here, as Bradley mentioned, there can be growing pains, whether it's traffic or housing or all the things that we like to complain about. But I'm excited to get all the new perspectives that are coming to town. When you travel to our peer cities, a lot of times what they do can look pretty similar to what we do, but there's always something to learn from someone who's coming here from another place, whether it's in the local political scene or in development or whatever. So I think that's the silver lining when I'm stuck in traffic or can't find a good place to live. I try to think about that side of the coin.
May we all use that mindset when we are stuck in traffic. Thank you.